I wanted to get as many as I could. Welcome back, ELOC Nation. If this is your first time here, welcome to my home, garden, and lifestyle channel. If you like what you see, hit that like button. Today is Friday, November the 3rd, and guess what I'm doing today? Finally harvesting these sweet potatoes. So we're gonna see what we've got. I purposely waited until the last minute to harvest these potatoes. I wanted to get as many as I could. Oftentimes I find that I harvest too early, so we'll see how it goes this time. Let's grab these grow bags and see what we've got inside. Okay, I'm going to remove these leaves first. It'll be easier to get to the potatoes. Now see, these little small potatoes, they probably would have kept growing. This is why I hate to sometimes pull them out. These were already sitting on top. Nice size. All right, let's dump this bag and see if there are any more in here. One thing I like about these grow bags is that they have handles on the side. It makes the bag easy to handle. I can pick them up, change locations. There's a peekaboo window. You can take a peek to see if anything's growing inside. Oh, peekaboo. Yeah, how about that? Okay, there's one. Oh, that's a really nice one. I like to harvest and clean as I go. The roots will go in here too because there are nutrients in these roots. They'll break down slowly over time. And they'll go at the bottom of the bag there. This was the start of a new potato, so yeah, that's why I wanted to wait until the last possible minute to give these sweet potatoes a chance to grow. Yeah, see, small, but just if given more chance to grow, these could have been some larger potatoes. Yeah, but look at that. Really nice. I use kitchen scraps to make a homemade compost tea, and that's how I fed my sweet potatoes, nothing else. No bone meal, no blood meal. All of those things are great. I just don't use them. I want to be able to use what I already have right here to feed my plants. I'm always going to have kitchen waste, so what better way to use it instead of it going to the landfill or wherever it's taken. Instead, I'm able to use those kitchen scraps and feed my plants. And this is a result of that. And I'm not knocking what anyone else chooses to use. I'm just showing you what I do. I'm no master gardener. I've been gardening for 3 years on this level. I'm still experimenting, figuring out what works, what doesn't work. And for me, compost tea works for me. So pretty nice harvest there for 1 grow bag. That's not bad at all. That's a meal or 2. And that's how I refill the bag. Okay, so not as many in this second bag. I mean, I've got 3 nice size here. More than I started out with. I had nothing. So I'm still happy with that. All right, bag number 3. Bag number 3, not as large, a little skinnier, but hey, a harvest is a harvest. I'll take it. I'm going to add these smaller scraps back to the grow bag to help to amend, feed the soil. This helps to save a lot of time refilling these grow bags. These roots and sweet potatoes will break down over the winter. There's my harvest. I mean, I started out with a stem and a few leaves. Planted it in some soil, and look what I got. Sweet potatoes. Blows my mind every time. Never gets old. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.